So, time to Loctite in some plugs here. Time to clean up the threads. So we need to clean up the hose that we don't need, so we can Loctite in all thread to plug these holes if they have thread, or maybe we're gonna cut some thread, and I don't want to weld this because I don't know if it's steel or cast iron. Got it adjusted. Getting tight down there. Huh. No. Think that's good enough? Yeah. So, this roof it is all the time. Since I think that confirms that this is cast iron. The fine shavings there. Okay, not metric. This is what's it called 3/8. Yeah. Clean this dry so the dirt doesn't turn into the grinding paste. Yeah, that's would have been better, I guess. Yeah, dry cutting is bit better. Yeah, see, completely clean. I tapped that extra hole also with earth, and you can see the shavings, and it's cast iron. Yeah. Ärgert's dich? So. So I finished painting the second coat and used a new roller, a small extra metal roller, that one, and I learned that this one leaves a nice slightly rough finish if you put on very thin coats where you have to reapply a next coat every, let's say, 10 minutes when it's kind of dry, like like with spray paint, but if you put it on thicker like I did here, you get more bigger roughness, and if you put in too much like here, you get like almost hammer paint ish patterns. And on this side I didn't put on so much, so it looks way better. So that's what I learned. So it's been 2 days since I painted everything. We had Easter Sunday and today is Easter Monday, and the paint is dry to the touch, but it still needs to cure for a few weeks because it's really soft right now. So let me give you a close-up of everything. So we have the column, which has been painted, so 2 coats of primers and 2 coats of the expensive paint. And we have the texture from the roller. I learned from that thinner coats are better, more thinner coats are better. Then I just rust converted that, so it needs to be painted. These are painted with the other color, and you can clearly see the difference in black. So this is more black than it's called blacksmith paint, kinda. I don't know why they call it that, but that's how it's called, while this is just black. So maybe I'm gonna add a 3rd coat once I assemble everything, and then I need to decide if I stay with the blacksmith paint or go for the more blackish one. I don't know yet. This needs to sit here for a while in the sun and fully cure. And until then I need to sort out all the hardware stuff, the boards and everything, order the right ones so we can assemble everything once it's time to do so. So I don't know when the next video will come out, probably not next week. I'm not gonna do anything here, maybe in 2 weeks. We also need to make the new handle, but that's also probably gonna be in 2 weeks. So painting is done, I guess.